In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tables side by side in Notion. If you've ever wanted to compare data at a glance or keep two related tables visible at the same time, this quick workflow makes it effortless. We'll use a simple Notion command to create two columns instantly. Then place your tables right where you want them. Side by side, start with a clean new line in your Notion page. Make sure your cursor isn't inside an existing block or table cell so the command applies to the page itself. Now type the number 2, and the letter C. That's /2C and press enter. Notion immediately creates two blank columns for you. Think of these as two containers sitting next to each other, each ready to hold any content you add. This command is a quick shortcut for a two-column layout, saving you the hassle of manually arranging blocks. With the columns in place, it's time to put your tables where they belong. If you already have tables on the page, drag each one into its respective column. Grab the table by its handle, click and hold. Then move it toward the left or right column. As you hover over a column, look for the clear visual cue that shows where the table will land. When you see that indicator, release the mouse, and the table will drop neatly inside the column. Repeat the same for the second table in the other column. If you don't have tables yet, you can also create them directly inside each column. Click into the left column to add your first table. Then click into the right column to add the second. Building them in place ensures everything lines up perfectly from the start. And both tables will remain side by side as you add properties, rows, or filters. A few quick tips to keep things smooth: if the / command doesn't seem to work, double-check that you typed the number 2. Then the letter C on a fresh line. If a table doesn't drop into a column right away, hover until you see the drop indicator and adjust your cursor slightly up or down within the column area. Once both tables are in place, you'll have a clean two-column layout that makes comparisons and cross-referencing simple and fast. That's all there is to it. Type /2C on a new line, press enter. Then drag your tables into the columns, or create them directly inside. Thanks for watching.